Hello, today I play Death Ram and today I have a new ram. It's called Cyber Nipper. As you can see, it's a robotic ram. Let's cause chaos now. Now let's see, what are the daily missions? Okay, let's do mission 1. Destroy 13 tanks. Well, look at it. It's a robotic ram. Now I'm going to jump up and then... But I need to focus. It says I need to destroy tanks. Yikes, they did so much damage. Yikes. Better be careful. Okay, that was a good move. Oh no, there's a UFO. Where is the tank? Oh, there's the tank. There's not so many army tanks. I need to destroy more tanks. There it is. Yes, that was great. Let's use the Night Array strike. Yes, that was excellent. The Night Array did a lot of damage. And let's cause some more chaos. Yes, the tank is coming now. Now I just need to keep destroying things so more tanks will appear. This is not good at all. Still couldn't do enough damage. Because I realized something. If I do more damage, there's a stronger possibility the tanks will appear. It's just my theory. Because there's not so many tanks coming now. Oh wait, I only need to do 2 more tanks. This is easy. No, there's only one else one. Let's use the Night Array on it. Yes! I've done it. Finally. Let's upgrade the speed. And the defense. And the attack. And let's see, what else do I need to do? Oh, let's see, destroy 61 enemies. That's easy. Most of these levels are easy. Where are the helicopters? Let's see if I could grab them. No, I could have grabbed the helicopters. But let's not mess around. I have a mission to do. And I need to do it quickly. Let's use the Night Array strike. Yes, that's perfect. And let's use the fire attack. Oh no, I'm running out of time. Oh no, there's the UFO. I need to go back in the ground. Yes, it took some damage. But the UFO is still flying away. These alien UFOs are so annoying. I need to focus. Okay, I'm going to have enough time to do this. Yes! I've done it. Well, I have a new reward. What's this? New RAM ready to unlock? Iron Beast. Okay, let's buy it. Wow, this is cool. Now I have 2 robot worms. Well, let's upgrade them. Let's upgrade this one. Wow, it's called Iron Beast. This is cool. I could do with some more robots. And before I do that, let's play the snake game. It's called Non-Snake. I had to eat some animals, as you can see. Wow, this is so cool. Oh no, I nearly bit myself. This level is difficult. Hey, I need to go snow. Me. But these lizards are running away. Wait, 25? Now I just need to get 5 more. Ah, they put a bomb and I couldn't do it. Wait, if I could get 1 more animal. Oh, that was the lizard. Yes, I done it! I done the snake game. Let's see, say I collected some coins. And let's pay this. Let's say I need to destroy 3 of those. Oh, there it is, one of these UFO types. I need to destroy some robots. Wait, there it is, I need to shoot it. That was great. Did so much damage. Oh no, there are all these aircraft in the game. I'm not saying if I can win this level. Ah, there's the robot. Okay, what's the special ability? Now that's... wow, that was the explosive jump. Right, blew up everything. Man, this new robot worm is better than the other one. Yes, I done it. I managed to do the level. They say I need to destroy 10 helicopters. That should be easy. Okay, let's use range ability. That makes me even faster. Wow, that was a good move. And let's jump. The only problem with the explosive jump is it doesn't destroy the airplane, so helicopters. Now I need to destroy some tanks. I need to be careful. They seem to be very strong. Oh wait, there's a group of tanks, so I need to plan this carefully. Okay, that was good. I managed to reduce the damage I took. Oh no, there are more of those underground drilling devices. Yes, I managed to beat the next bit. What is it? I need to take down 10 vehicles and do some other stuff now. Yes, military tanks are going to destroy. Looks like I'm going to win this fight. Oh, but I need to catch 50 more. Oh, and it's going to be... how can I say it? Oh yes. Still need to catch more people. But it's going to be more difficult. Nice 20 more people. Okay, it's 9 more people I need to catch in this game. Yes, I'm winning. Wait, only 2 more people left. That's perfect. Now, one more. I done it. I done this very difficult level. Now let's upgrade the attack. Oh, I don't have enough coins. Wow, I got some more coins and stuff, and let's play this. Apparently this is an easy difficulty one level. Now, I need to get 6,000 points to win. This is easy. Let's see if I can... Yes, I managed to take down that little airplane. Look how big I am. Wow, this is even better than the other robot ram. Iron Beast is good. No, there's something else I need to... Oh yes, it's only 1,000 points, and I need to keep a... I done it! Mission completed. Wow, I level up again. Wow, that's all the time I have for today. Goodbye.